Hi, hello guys. This is SharathchandarK. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which explores the fascinating world of programming. I am delighted to have you here with me today. Before we dive into the world of technology, you might be wondering who am I? Let me introduce myself first and talk about what the channel is. So let's get started. Well, my name is Sharathchandar Kotteswaran. You can call me Shah. I have been a passionate software developer, technical lead, and mentor in the area of programming over a decade. Throughout my career, I have worked on more than 25 various projects ranging from web application to Windows application and even mobile applications too. I am a motivational individual with extensive knowledge of programming and a certified cybersecurity professional. I am thrilled to share my knowledge and existing journey of explorations and learnings with you, and this will help you to learn new things. My goal with this channel is to share my knowledge, tips and tricks with those who are just as enthusiastic about coding with security as I am. I hope to share my knowledge, ideas and real world experience to help you to navigate the constantly changing programming landscape. So if you are ready to explore the wonders of technology and my channel with me, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will never miss any episode what I'm posting on. And don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with your tech fellow enthusiasts. Now let's dive into what you can expect from this channel. First and foremost, my goal with this channel to make programming accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or experience level. Whether you are a complete beginner or a experienced programmer, I want to create content that will help you to extend your knowledge and skill. Programming is not just about developing a software or building a website. It's the art of instructing a computer to perform a specific task and has the superpower to unlock the endless possibilities. It's a combination of logical thinking and a creative outlet and a problem solving tool that is the gateway to innovation. As a programmer, we have the power to create the software solution that makes a positive impact on people lives. On this channel, you can expect a wide range of tutorial videos. We'll cover programming languages and explore different frameworks and libraries and tools that will level up your coding games. From basic concept to advanced technique, I will be here to guide you every step of the way. This channel is not just about learning, it's about building a practical skills, applying them into a real world projects and bringing those ideas to life that we are always dreamed of. Whether you are a new to programming or a seasoned coder, this channel will have something for everyone. We'll start with the basic and gradually progress towards more advanced technique. Trust me folks, anyone can learn to program from nothing. All it takes is dedication, a little bit of patience and more practice. I encourage active participation and engagement from all of you for my upcoming videos. Your comments, questions and suggestions are highly valued. Together we can build a supportive community where we can learn from each other and inspire one another to become a better programmers. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me and my channel. I am truly grateful for your presence here and I promise to bring you the best of what I have to offer. Let's approach on this incredible journey together. Remember, every video will be a chance for us to learn and grow a new things with a great time. I can't wait to see you in upcoming videos. Stay curious, stay inspired. Until the next time, take care. Bye.